Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best vlogging cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Olympus TG5 waterproof camera. The TG5 from Olympus built for adventure and comes with professional features. It has 3-inch 460K LCD. It can withstand harsh conditions with ease. This vlogging camera has a crush-proof rating and sealed against grit, dust, and grime. It features anti-fog dual-pane lens glass. It can take 4K photos and video record just like all the vlogging cameras. It comes with 12MP high-speed image sensor for low-light performance and noise reduction. This waterproof camera can withstand depths up to 50 feet, temperatures dip down to 14 degrees and drop of 7 feet. It features action track sensors and a temperature sensor. It has built-in Wi-Fi which transfers images and videos to your smart device using the Olympus Image Share app. Overall, Olympus 5 is great vlogging camera for macro and underwater. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sony A7R II full-frame camera. The Sony A7R II might be an expensive camera but comes with advanced features. It has tiltable 3 inches 1229K dots LCD display makes it easy to photograph. The body of this camera is made of magnesium alloy which is durable. It comes with 42.4MP CMOS sensor which is responsible for shooting the high-resolution video with a constant FPS rate. It can also shoot at excellent 4K resolution. Due to 42.4 megapixel camera, 4K footage can be shot in full 35mm format, which is a big deal. You can take the most precise pictures on this camera as it has a 5-axis image stabilization feature. The hybrid AF with 399 points of detection means marvelous focus no matter what. The ISO sensitivity is 102,400 for pictures and 25,600 for 4K video which is quite impressive. This vlogging camera is flexible that means you can take images as well as videos at any angle you want. The battery of this vlogging camera lasts for hours. Overall, Sony A7R II camera is great for professional vloggers. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera. The EOS M50 mirrorless camera from Canon is easy to use and offers great image quality. It has 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen display that is hinged at the side of the body. This camera can shoot up to 4K UHD *24p, which can give your videos a superbly cinematic look. Also, you can shoot video in FHD 1080p. The autofocus offers a wide area mode and makes use of eye detection and subject tracking to help with the process of shooting videos. This vlogging camera comes with 24.1MP APS-C CMOS sensor and DIGIC8 image processor which delivers incredible color, stunning range, and clear details. It has a built-in electronic viewfinder that provides more assistance. This mirrorless camera includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC connectivity for video sharing and uploading. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS 80D DSLR camera. The Canon EOS 80D is a wildly popular choice for vloggers capturing footage in the studio. It comes with a vari-angle 3-inch LCD display that adds 270 degrees of vertical rotation as well as 175 degrees of horizontal rotation for handily reviewing footage as you shoot. The 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor captures high-resolution images. This DSLR camera records 1080p video at 60 fps. It can shoot up to 7.0 fps during constant shooting, making it excellent for quick action shots. The 45-point autofocus system offers great daylight and low-light performance. It comes with 960-shot battery life for picture capturing and video recording. The dual-pixel CMOS AF features the fast focusing speed as well as smooth tracking in live view. Built-in NFC and Wi-Fi, you can transfer footage to your desktop easily. And finally at number 1, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5S 4K digital camera. The Lumix GH5S vlogging camera from Panasonic, ideal for professional photographers. Its mirrorless design contributes to the lightweight and portable frame, making it solid camera for outdoors. The body of this 4K camera is made of magnesium alloy. It has a splash-proof and freeze-proof design. It comes with a 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen display. It can deliver truly excellent 4K footage at very high frame rates. The variable frame rates enable you to adapt footage to accommodate your preferences, with maximum of 240 fps in Full HD and 60 fps in UHD 4K and DCI. It comes with 4K HDR hybrid log gamma v log L as well as professional-grade exposure tools. It is capable of achieving 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording. Its 10.2 MP sensor is designed with full focus on video. It can shoot continuously at 12 fps in AFS mode or 8 fps with continuous autofocus. It comes with dual native ISO, which provides ultra-sensitive video taking with impressively low noise. Overall, the Lumix GH5S is very powerful vlogging camera which delivers great performance. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.